Hariom everyone. I'm sure you all are excited to begin this journey of Sanatan dharm, which is my only mission on earth, the only work that I'm here to deliver. Dharma samsthaapana. That is the only task I have in hand for this whole birth. The only thing I am to do. Sanatan dharm. The word Sanatan simply means eternal. Eternal, which means shashwat, avyay, which is infinite, which is forever. So dharma, which comes from the Sanskrit root dri, which means to be in a stand, to be in a posture in a certain situation. And that becomes the law. And if you adopt the universal law, eternal law, that means Sanatan dharma. The moment you open your eyes in this reality, and from that time, every day, every moment, the situations keep on changing. Sometimes with the family, sometimes with the people outside, sometimes in school, college, anywhere, in any institution, wherever we are in the outside world, at the workplace. So things keep changing around you. So as the things change, there is a standard way of responding to things. The most simplest way to respond to things, to the situations, be it good or bad, be it challenging or not so challenging or easygoing, is to respond with love, which is certainly the most complex thing to understand today. The most difficult thing to realize, the most tough thing to respond as. Sanatan dharma means the eternal divine laws, which is applicable to each being on this land, on earth. Just like there is one sun giving light to the whole humanity, there is one moon, there are stars, the 5 elements, the bodies, the earthly bodies, which behave the same way. Similarly, there are functional laws which work in the same way for each being. But you see, over a period of 5 centuries, the word dharma is the most misled term on land. We call fragmentation of beings or division of being or categorization of beings as dharma. That's not dharma. We call Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jainism, Judaism, all these as dharma. These are category of beings decided by the authorities in the world based on the family that you're born in. But that's not dharma. Dharma simply means your law. Just like our eyes behave the same way, because there is a law functional in the eyes. The heart, the liver, the vital organs, the spine, the fluids in the body. It functions in a certain way under the governance of certain laws, the laws of the universe, which are applicable on each spirit being on this land. And that is what Sanatan dharma is. Sanatan teaches you how you should handle your body, how you should handle yourself as a being, how you should learn and evolve as a spirit on this land while cohering with the laws which are universal, applicable to each being here. So we will explore those laws first with the basic discipline, the basic knowledge about those laws, and then helping spread those laws so that we all live as spirits in the most highest spirited way, than living as a man or a woman or a Hindu or a Christian or Sikh or Jaini or a man from this organization and that organization. There's enough of division which has already happened. It has reached to a saturation already. And we as spirits all have to come together in harmony, in love, and enhance our frequency, vibration in the real ways, not just in the psychological, mental way. We are talking of frequency and vibration or enhancing it with certain things. But the moment you speak, it shows what frequency you are at, a low or a high, a fragmented or evolved, chaos or order. So we all as beings, as spirits, have to come together in love, harmony, and in spirits to firstly learn the forgotten eternal laws, the universal laws, the divine laws, and then help the whole humanity rise in love and in those laws. That is why scripture mentions about dharmo rakshit rakshitaha. The moment you safeguard the divine law, it is like saving your own self. The divine laws safeguard you. And when Krishna says to Arjun that whenever there is the degradation of dharm, means the degradation of the divine laws, the humanity is completely off track, distracted, distorted from the divine laws. I take birth. I come back on the earth for establishing the divine laws. Because Krishna or any spirit being, any soul, any super soul will not come on earth to establish Hindu, Muslim or divide the humanity in any way. They will come to join them all together. And there are laws functional in this universe which bind each being together, and we all have to abide by those laws. That is what Sanatan dharm is, which is applicable to each being irrespective of whatsoever. That is what Sanatan dharm, the eternal laws, the universal laws, the divine laws are. So we begin with the laws from tomorrow morning itself, and I'm sure this will help each spirit in this group, in this world, to explore the real ways, the truthful ways, the loveful ways to rise and evolve and be free here and beyond.